Watchfinder buy watches from members of the public, we return them to as new condition, we warranty them, and we sell them back to the public, fundamentally using our website. We've grown to 120 plus staff, and we're now turning over £70 million sterling a year. Over the last 2 or 3 years, the accelerated growth that the company has been through has got us to a point now where we're looking to take the whole proposition overseas. We want to go into new international territories. But without the cloud, that would probably be a hurdle that would be too high for us to breach. We have been recording all the information of 200 quotes a day for the last X years. That gives us an awful lot of data. And through the machine learning element, the computer starts to give the quotes rather than human beings.
Before, it's an individual's job to process that data, and that means that you have lots of other influences on the decision. It's got to be about the data, and this enables us to make it about the data. This is always the way we've wanted to do it. You enable the company to quadruple the number of watches we're able to buy in any period. It's fantastic.
We've obviously been around pre-cloud, so we did the hosting the hard way in the shared data centre, and managing and patching and trying to provision enough resource for how we think we're going to grow. And Azure's come along, and it just frees up more resource within the team, because you don't have to handhold these servers.
If we, as we did last year, venture out into television, that was a decision made very quickly, but the impact of that was a real spike in traffic. So for me to have a very short conversation with the IT department, who then would instantly provide enough scalability to handle a real increase in marketing, is a big benefit to us as a company.
What I like about Azure, as opposed to the other providers, is they seem to be open standards first and open source first, and not trying to lock me into their platform. So they're basically saying, just come and do your compute on us, use us, whatever your stack is, we can support you. In our retail stores, we have tablets for the customers to use, we have Microsoft Services as a point of sale system, and we have big touch screens on the wall, and we can roll out a universal Windows platform application that we can deploy to all devices running Windows 10. We're looking into Cortana integration, so the staff will be able to ask the computer a question about the business and get a pretty fulfilled response, which is stuff for sci-fi movies. We moved to Office 365 in 2013. We have email, we have OneDrive for Business, we have Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all the new things that are now coming through, like Power BI, Office Graph, Delve, Sway. And because it's all on subscription, we don't manage it internally, we don't need the resource to manage it. It's always up to date, and we always have the latest and greatest software. The rate of change and the rate of these big tools that are becoming available to me as a single person. When I started in this career, I would never thought that were possible. Microsoft have enabled that, so it keeps me excited.
We're a very, very ambitious organisation, and the opportunities are replete, and I'm really looking forward to moving forward, both as a company and with Microsoft.